Hello everyone, and welcome to part 2 of creating a home art studio. I am Chege Masharia, and this is Jicho Lizuri. So today I decided to get a bouquet just because we need to live like flowers, wild, beautiful, and drenched in the sun. That's why. So for those who don't know, these are carnations. The scientific name Dianthus caryophyllus, also called grenadine or clove pink. They are native to the Mediterranean area, and what I love most about these flowers are the fringed petals, and they have a spicy fragrance to it. Schöne Blumen is the German word for beautiful flowers. So back to serious business. I first of all started up with inspecting the wall. It's no longer brilliant white anymore. I think the wall needs a fresh coat of paint before I start up setting things around and arranging stuff. This is a water-based white paint in matte, and I'm just going to dissolve it with water and make a light coat of paint. It's actually leftover paint that I'd remained with when I moved into the apartment. So nothing goes to waste. I tend to love the color white because it's a basic color, it's a neutral color. You can match up everything in your house with white. It also is very relaxing and not too much on the eyes. Of course, another reason why I chose white for this room is because this room, I'm going to use it as an art studio, and after some time I'm going to make a wall gallery. So my artwork is what's going to decorate the walls. Paintings, drawings, and so on. White is awesome, especially when you have large windows, high ceilings, It allows for enough light to come into the room because of its reflective nature. And then of course when you do photography or filming, it makes everything light up quite well because of visibility. I also think it complements the natural wooden floor quite well. Being a nurse, I usually have a box of surgical gloves for different things, of course, apart from my artwork. It helps my hands from staining when I'm dealing with paint. It's been a while since I painted on walls. However, I find it very difficult painting on ceilings because the paint ends up dripping all over the floor and you need to keep on cleaning up after your work. Of course, even right now, most definitely spilled paint all over, so I have to clean everything up before everything dries up, or it's gonna get very difficult to get the paint off the floor. Now we can start moving things inside the room, and we're going to begin with the shelf. My toolbox and stoppers as well to go on the foot of the shelves. This is a Vitsu white tempered glass and metal shelf that I got from IKEA. It's actually very sturdy, durable, and very easy to maintain. It also doesn't occupy a lot of space in the room. I'm not going to do a very detailed information about the product description. However, the dimensions are: the length is 100 centimeters, the depth or the width is 36 centimeters, the height comes at 175 centimeters, and its weight in general is 27.5 kgs. Very portable, if I may say. I didn't want something that has drawers or doors to them, because I want something that can display my materials, my art stuff as well, so that I shouldn't have to search for anything on the drawers and so on. Also, flawless ventilation throughout the room, because when you're working with oil paints, acrylics and so on, the aerosols tends to make the room smell stuffy. The wooden planks are actually lighter than the glass. The tempered glass are actually very heavy. However, they sit very well. Once you have the structure up, they just slide into their compartments without a problem. Next, it's time to bring in our desk, which is going to be our workspace. Very important. It comes in two parts, the tabletop and the mounting plates, which has the legs. Let's get some fresh air in and some lighting as well. It looks like a beautiful day today. It's a bit sunny. People are in good mood. People are going out for walks. The desk is from IKEA as well. Its product name is called Bekant, or known in English. It's a white wooden desktop that is 100% recycled chipboard. The base, or the legs, or the mounting plate is a white aluminium metal that has a really cool and practical feature in that you can manually adjust its base height from 65 centimeters to 85 centimeters all the way up, depending on how tall you are, of course, to match your stools as well. I got these metal clippers as reinforcement. They didn't come with a table. Now we are almost done. I just need to attach 2 more clippers and we're good to go. After touching the two parts together, I've realized that it's become very heavy, and because of its weight, it's going to make it very stable, a very stable table. I got this tool from House Home Collection. It's actually a German chain that sells nice, practical, minimal and very durable furniture. I managed to get some space to fix my wife's sewing machines, comprising of an overlock machine and an electric industrial sewing machine from Brother. I'm glad we got space for these mannequins because they've been terrorizing us so much. They usually look like living people at night or ghosts. So I'm glad they got space so that we can hide them in this room. We need to cover up to protect the machines from dust. We need to keep these things clean so that you can use them for a longer time. Now that we are done, this is how the place looks like now. The shelf is all set up. That's our radiator. It's always on during winter time. The desk all set up. The stool. The place looks actually very airy, minimalistic. And now the place looks very much functional. Thank you everyone for staying up until the end of the video. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao!